Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a zombie prom queen inspired by you cuties to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute zombie queen, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. And now I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now with my eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. I'm going to spruce them up some lashes. And since this is a zombie prom queen, I thought we should just kind of droop these lashes. They're kind of falling off maybe. So I'll just draw these two really long lashes. They're just kind of drooping down. And same thing here. And then from there, let's come to the top and we're going to draw her brow. So let's come up, soft arc over the eye. And same thing right across. There. And then for her mouth, I thought it'd be kind of cool to give her this kind of wobbly mouth because she is a zombie, right? So if you want to do that instead of just a regular smile, let's come about right here. And I'm just going to wobble slightly. Well, actually, I'm supposed to come down a little bit more. Give her that little sad look almost, right? And then from there, hopefully that looks like I'll just erase this part a little bit. It's supposed to come down a little bit more. And then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come back to the top of her eye, about right here, really close to the lashes. Give myself a point, and same thing right here. And we're basically going to draw the bottom of a U to frame her face. So now I'll find my center about right here, give myself a point, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect to a sharp point right there. And same thing here. And connect. Okay, so then now that we have her face framed in, let's draw some hair. So I'm just going to imagine this oval, and to the side about right here, give myself a point, and we're going to draw some strands. So I'm going to bring this down towards her brow, go back up, and then let's just draw, let's simplify this. And we're going to bring this down and out. So right here, just going to draw some strands as well. Just kind of make it look a little bit messy and bring it down to connect. And you can draw a strand as well. Before I forget, let's give her like a little, maybe drool or some blood. Whatever you want to make it, right? Just make it more zombie-ish. Okay, so then from there, let's draw a crown because she is a queen. So let's see here. Let's say about right here, right over her head, over her hair. We're going to come right here and draw a big curve right over. So it's just kind of like the width of her face. And then I'll find my center nice and high, say about right here. Give myself a point, and I'm just going to draw a very simplified crown. Not too many details. And just 2 points and then connect. And same thing here and connect. There. And then in the center, let's put a heart, of course, because she is a draw so cute zombie queen, right? Okay, so then from there, we're going to come to the top right here. Just kind of imagining her at the top of her head, so just a little indication of it to give it some volume. We're just going to draw a curve. It comes down. There. Draw in some more of these strands for some detail. And now let's go ahead. I'll finish her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So let's come back right here in the center and give her this little neck. And then I'm going to come down for her shoulders, but I'm going to pop up her shoulders a little bit to make her a little bit more zombie-ish. So right here, just pop it up very slightly, about right there. And then in this area where her shoulder is, let's bring this down a little bit more. But right here, I'm going to come down with a curve. This is just to draw that little sash for her prom queen. And right there, let's see. Then we're going to imagine like this is where her armpit area would be. And I'm going to come down, draw an angle line. So like her armpit area would be about right here. And draw an angle line. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw these two angle lines first before you put in this sash. I'm trying not to erase, so I'm gonna have to go play around with it. So about right here in the center, I'm gonna give myself a point, and I'm gonna go up with a curve for her top, right there. Okay, so then let's see here, we're gonna have to play around with this sash. So let's bring this down to about, we're going to pass her waist area, sticking it up. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this down a little bit more, and then right here we're going to connect it at an angle so that imagine this is up, going up about right here for a little top. Sorry if that was too complicated. Like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this sash afterwards. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead. The hardest part is done. We're going to pop this out for a really poofy prom dress. So about right here, this is kind of where it's going to go. I'm going to come right here and poof it out. So we can finish our little banner thing here. Let's bring this in and then pop it out. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and bring this skirt down. And here. And it's gonna wobble all the way across. And one more layer. And same thing here. So now we're about the same level. I'm gonna go ahead and wobble all the way across and back up. There. And then let's come back here and we're just gonna draw some lines. For some details. And then we can go ahead and draw the hands. So let's come back to, let's work on this side. So I'm going to come and bring this down. She has a sleeve that's kind of fallen off her shoulders. So I'll come right back to this point and angle a line down. And just loop it back. And then this is going to continue. And then we're just going to tuck in her hand. There, and then she's wearing some gloves that are kind of raggedy and messed up, so we're just going to wobble a curve right there. So same thing here, her sleeve would come out about right here. The other side, and then once again her arm, bring it in a little bit and then out. And once again the sleeves. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs, right? Her feet. So imagine her hip, her legs are coming in down, so about right here. I'm just gonna come around this area. I'm gonna draw angle, angle, so thinner. And then we're going to come out and bring her feet pointing this way. So we're just gonna curve, heel, and then just bring it in. And for some details right here, and curve. So this side, we can even exaggerate it even more, so about right here. She's a zombie, so you can contort her feet however you like. So right here, same thing. So I really hope you love this zombie queen, prom zombie queen. And once again, her shoes. And we can even come in here and just draw some tear lines and make it look like she's wearing some stockings that have been ripped. And you can do that also in her skirt. I guess it depends on how much detail you want to put, right? There's so many things you can do. You can splatter with blood or just make it look really messed up. It's all up to you when you're coloring. And that is pretty much for those little details here. And I'm going to write the word prom queen here. So I'm going to try to follow the angle. Prom queen. If I don't have enough room, okay, the end is going to have to look like it's falling off. There, I wrote prom a little too big, but hopefully you get the idea. And then now let's go ahead and finish off her hair. So we're just gonna bring this down, simple hair, just zigzag. So it's gonna be black hair with some pink ends. That's what the cutie fan wanted, that won this voting contest. So thank you, cuties, for helping each other vote for the costume idea that you wanted on my community page. And I really hope that you love this zombie prom queen. And let's see here, what else? Okay, let's draw a heart right here for a necklace. Almost forgot. There. And I'll put in some detail right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version here of this cute girl that's dressed up as a zombie prom queen that was inspired by you cuties. Thank you again for always going to my community page and helping me vote and giving me all these ideas. And I picked this idea to draw today because it got the most likes. So thank you for this awesome costume idea, and I really hope you love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.